Hello guys, today is January 26th. So this day is very special here in Australia because we celebrate the Australia Day. So one of the highlights of this day is this event, the drone show, which is here in Canberra. I don't know what are the other events in all part of the country, but here in Canberra specifically, we have this drone show. So sit back and relax, enjoy the video. God bless everyone. So on this video guys, it's only the first part of the whole show, and the next part will be on my next video. So enjoy watching guys. Again, happy Australia Day everyone here in Australia. Enjoy.
Last year wala man na kana, wala man na.
Through the lens, celebrating Australian culture.
Wala man na last year, di ba? Bonita sa man, bonita. Di plastic.
AFL brings everyone together. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're from, we all love the game. This season's shaping up to be one of the closest in years. Cricket's not just a sport here, it's a way of life. From backyard games to test matches, it's in our blood.
Oh, he's got him. First wicket in Test cricket was done by hitting the stump.
My kids know the rule. No flags, no swim. It's the first thing we look for when we get to the beach. Australia's got some of the best waves in the world. From Bondi to the Gold Coast, there's a break for everyone. Canberra, Ngunnawal for meeting place. Today, Canberra continues to be a meeting place for all Australians and visitors from around the world. Capturing the nation's imagination through visual art and design. Cultivating a curious spirit from a young age.
Bananas in pajamas, I'm coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'm coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'll chase your teddy bears. Cross country space then, I'll try to catch them unaware.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1? I think I am, B2.
Coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'm coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas, I'll chase your teddy bears. Cross country space then, I'll try to catch them unawares.
A place for every story. A story for every place. A lens on Australia.
So yun guys, tapos na po yung part 1. See you on my next video. That will be the last part of this show, and hopefully you enjoy. Okay guys, that concludes the part 1 of this drone show, and see you in my next video for the part 2. God bless. See you guys.